Hello, I'm Scott Cohen, and I'm thrilled to introduce a project I'm passionate about, the ParcoRTLS Developer Codex. This real-time location system began as proprietary software in the late 2000s, designed to track movement with ultra-wideband signals. After years of evolution and sadly the passing of our lead developer, Jesse Chun, I decided to open source the ParcoRTLS to the world in 2025.
At its core, ParcoRTLS answers a deceptively simple question. Where is it? And what does that mean? It's about turning raw location data into meaningful insights, whether it's understanding why your pet is lingering by the fence or tracking critical equipment in a hospital. So why a book now? After modernizing ParcoRTLS from its legacy VB.NET foundation to a modern Python-based open-source platform, I realized there was a wealth of knowledge to share. This book documents everything: the migration, the methods, the logic, and the lessons learned over 2 decades of development. ParcoRTLS is built on several key principles. It's open source, allowing anyone to extend and deploy it. It's local first, respecting privacy and autonomy. It's modular, supporting diverse sensors and networks. And most importantly, it's personal, capable of solving real-world challenges, big or small. The system is designed for real-time location tracking using zones, defined spatial areas, triggers, event definitions bound to movement, and tags, the trackable entities. This combination allows ParcoRTLS to detect, interpret, and act upon movement changes in physical space, from hospitals ensuring equipment safety to warehouses optimizing inventory flow and even smart homes monitoring pets. ParcoRTLS offers robust solutions across diverse industries, turning movement into meaning. The ParcoRTLS Developer Codex is your complete technical companion. It covers the platform's history, detailed database schemas, shell script toolkits, real-time event messaging with MQTT and WebSockets, UI walkthroughs, and custom use cases like Home Assistant integrations. You'll dive deep into the architecture, understanding how FastAPI, React, PostgreSQL, MQTT, and WebSockets work together seamlessly. We explore the modular design, allowing components to evolve independently and scale intelligently. The book also details advanced concepts like portable triggers, zones that move with a tagged entity, enabling dynamic interactions for worker safety, child monitoring, or even tracking your dog, Eddie, to activate outdoor lights. We explore real-world importance, from preventing tragic accidents like the 2001 MRI incident that inspired its creation, to current applications like integrating with Home Assistant to automate your environment based on location data. It's about turning spatial data into smart action. This book is for anyone passionate about real-time location systems. It's for developers, researchers, builders, hobbyists, and guardians, whether you're protecting people, pets, or precious assets. Engineers and developers will find comprehensive guides on architecture, database schemas, API interactions, and shell scripting, enabling them to extend and deploy ParcoRTLS for their specific needs. Business leaders and innovators will gain insights into how real-time spatial awareness can optimize operations, enhance safety, and unlock new possibilities for automation and efficiency across various sectors. ParcoRTLS is no longer proprietary. It's open source, licensed under GNU, and ready for you to build on. It's a platform for the next generation of spatial awareness. Are you ready to join this mission? I invite you to share your thoughts, questions, and ideas for this book project. Your input will help shape the final content and ensure it meets the needs of our growing community. Stay tuned for more updates on the ParcoRTLS Developer Codex. Together, we can build a future where location means more.